The topic of this lecture is to offer an example for empirical studies for policy analysis. I use an example of state-level energy efficiency to show how to do quantitative policy analysis in the area of energy policies. The question is, can state policies drive up the overall level of energy efficiency? This study focuses on the state-level energy efficiency policies and the factors that can influence energy efficiency. First, we have to quantify what is state-level energy efficiency. In this study, I use electricity productivity to measure the overall state-level energy efficiency. Electricity productivity is measured by the growth of GDP for every unit of electricity input. The hypothesis is that three different types of policy innovations, including regulation, financial incentives, and information programs, can increase the electricity productivity of states. Data is state panel data from 2005 to 2011 for the 50 states and the District of Columbia. Data is taken from the U.S. Census Survey, Bureau of Economic Analysis, National Climate Data Center, American Community Survey, and the State Energy Data System. State fixed effect model is used to evaluate the impact of energy efficiency policies. The state fixed effect model controls for a set of variables that affect the electricity productivity, as well as state fixed effect and time fixed effect. Three types of energy efficiency policies are evaluated in this model. Financial incentive is the state investment on energy efficiency programs, which can be measured by the total spending or budget and the budget as a percentage of utility revenue. Regulations include Energy Efficiency Resource Standard (EERS), decoupling policies, and building energy codes. Information program is a lead by example program. The dependent variable, electricity productivity, is decomposed into three factors: activity effect, structure effect, and efficiency effect. To test the real efficiency effect, the state fixed effect model controls for activity effect and structure effect. Four models are used to test the impact of energy efficiency policies. Model 1 is fixed effect model with individual policies to be separated, evaluated. Model 2 is state fixed effect model with three policy types. Model 3 is fixed effect model with individual policies and their time lag effect. Model 4 is feasible generalized least square model to control for heteroscedasticity and serial correlation. This table shows the result from the four different models. As we can see that financial incentives measured as the total energy efficiency budget is positively correlated with the electricity productivity of the states. The information-based program lead by example is also positively related with electricity productivity. However, regulations including EES, decoupling, and building energy code are not significant in most of the models. Their time lag effects are not significant either. This table shows the control variable for activity effect and structure effect. Most of the activity effect and structure effect are significant.